What's up guys, welcome back to another video. In this video, I will show you how to fix SweatCoin not counting steps. So you might be wondering why SweatCoin here is not counting steps. Well, there are going to be a few things that you can try doing here. So first things first is you want to guarantee that SweatCoin here is fully updated. So you want to open up Google Play Store here, search for SweatCoin, and basically if you do see any updates, you want to go ahead and just install that into your device. Now sometimes updates that are not applied to the app can cause some issues with the actual app itself. So in this case, go ahead and click on the update button, wait for it, and just see if that solves the issue. Now another thing that you could try doing here is you want to basically clear the cache or the temporary files that you currently hold in your device. So in this case, you want to press and hold on it, click on the eye icon on SweatCoin, and you want to go and click on clear data at the bottom right here and click on clear cache. Click on OK, and from then on restart the app and see if that solves the issue. Now another thing that you could try doing here is you want to check your app permission. So in this case, you want to open up app permissions, and from here you want to go and choose the option here for physical activity. Now under physical activity, you want to go and click on allow, go back here, and basically restart your app. Now you could also enable another setting here, which is going to be health connect. You go and click on it, just basically set this up and see if that actually solves the issue. But in this case, that's about it. So if you found this video helpful, don't forget to leave a like or maybe subscribe to our channel. Thank you for watching.